In this presentation, I'm going to show you what you need to do to find your inner drive. There are some days when you wake up with enough motivation to get through your day, while other days you find it difficult to find your inner drive. On the days that you lack motivation, try these 5 simple strategies to find your internal drive and get things done. Practice meditation. Meditation has been around for centuries. It provides you tremendous benefits when practiced on a regular basis. Along with helping you calm your mind, it also enables you to connect with your breath and let go of your concerns. Many successful people practice meditation as a way to help slow them down and find their focus. Regular meditation can provide you with a sense of direction on your path to success. Start journaling. Journaling is another great way for you to clear your mind and focus on the essential parts of your journey to success. The process of journaling helps you shed light on what it is you truly desire by removing the roadblocks of your emotions and feelings. Watch your self-talk. Is your narrative negative or positive? The latter will encourage you to move forward, while the former will keep you stuck. If you find yourself getting down on yourself, know that it is nothing but your fear talking. When you feel unmotivated and afraid, negative thinking kicks in as a way to protect ourselves from difficult situations. Finding your inner drive so you can achieve your goals requires you to switch from negative to positive self-talk. Know what you want. Having clarity of mind and direction will help you find your inner drive and move forward with confidence. When you don't have a clear path in mind, every step you take toward your goal is a step that will get you to the wrong place faster. Always knowing where you want to go will help you find and keep your motivation. Be resilient. You will always have people in your life that will doubt your ability. Don't let them stop you from taking a chance and doing what you set out to do. When people criticize you, it means that you got them thinking. Always stay focused on what you believe in and forge ahead with your goals. Finding your inner drive will keep you motivated and working toward your goals. With the right motivation in your life, you will find it easy to find the success you're looking for.